Hey diehards, Louie from your friendly Arapahoe Basin Mountain Ops team, coming to you live from the drive here at the Lenawee Express lift. We are well underway, we're cranking, things are looking good. Hey, behind us here you can see this big retaining wall. This thing's coming together slowly but surely, critical to the whole operation here. So those are 1,800 pound Lego blocks behind us there. We've got several hundred of these to stack up, backfill, put Geogrid material in. It's a pretty complex and tedious process. We have Jay Armstrong and his team of earth movers here focusing on that. They're doing a bang up job. So we've got a ways to go, but things are coming together. And it's critical we get this wall further along before we start working on the drive, which is where we're going to next. Phil Notebart and his Leitner Palma team have been cranking up and down the line. We're wrapping up the return terminal, comm lines in the air, fibers in the air. Really, they're just doing the last couple things on the line, and then they're coming down here, and everybody's playing in the same sandbox. Ton of work here, but you all know the end result. We're getting a high-speed six-pack lift. This is gonna make a bitchin' experience for you and all your friends up here at Arapahoe Basin. Can't wait to show it off for you in a couple weeks. I'm sure you're wondering, our snowmaking team is hard at work. Bill LeClaire and his team have been cranking, temps are getting cold, and we have water thanks to Mother Nature and the summer we've had. So they are making great progress. Stand by for an opening date, and then pretty soon after that, you're gonna be flying this new lift with your friends and family. Can't wait to have you up here, and we'll see you all soon.